Want to make kids 3D illustration in just second? No design skill need. Let's do it. Go to ChatGPT. Type suggest detail prompt of kids illustration. Copy any prompt from the list. Open this site. Click on the image. Paste your prompt. Click on prompt enhance. Select one. Select style vibrant. Select image dimension 16 by 9. Click the generate button. As you can see, the Fantasy Kids 3D illustration is great. Now download the image. Thanks for watching the video.